So in this video, I'm going to show you what to expect when it comes to web applications. If you're interested in building web applications, not just website, we call them web applications for a reason, because these ones are data-driven hybrid web applications. For example, now I am authenticated with the superpowers type of an account, right? And the first that you see here that you will never see on your side is this link called task. As soon as I tap on it, I have access to all these activities or tasks that I can do specifically using this account, right? So we're going to talk about authentication and authorization. So now I am authenticated, and yes, I am authorized to do all these tasks. For example, let's go to topics, right? You see, now I'm going to topics, and then I'm allowed now to go and add a new topic. I can play around with the topic. I can delete a topic. I can perform the CRUD, right? So that is authentication, right? But let's see from the code. So let's go to MVC. So this is ASP.NET Core MVC targeting.NET 7, right? And then it's also using Razor pages, right? So let's go to account, and yeah, firstly you will need to be authenticated. So let's see from this page, and let me zoom in for you so you can follow along. So we have get, it's going to be the first one, get, and then we have post version of the login, right? So it's going to go through this process to check whoever that's logging in, is this person suspended, is the account deleted, is their email confirmed, is their phone number confirmed. And when it's finished, it then going to decide, okay, we are done, there's a result, succeeded. But what we're going to be doing, we're going to check what role this person belongs to. We are done with authorization. Now we are checking what role this person belongs to, right? For example, this one, the crew role, right? So what we do, we then redirect it to operations on the home controller. So that's what gives us this page that you will see here, right? And then, but how do we protect this? Good question. So let's quickly go to home. Let's close this and go to controllers, general, home. As you can see, the class itself is not protected because you need to access it anyway, right? But as we go to let's see there, where is it? Okay, let's see. There we go. As you can see, the operations, it's protected by the authorized attribute. These are the things that I'll be teaching you. What does authorized and authentication mean? And then how do you ensure? And then where do you register this? Register this going to program.cs by just saying app.useAuthentication and app.useAuthorization, and then you'll be good to go. You have all the powers to ensure that everything is good to go. So this is one of the things when you want to build a data-driven type of web applications where somebody's going to have a certain level of authorization to perform CRUD. Somebody's not going to have that. For example, let me get out and show you that you see that task link, it's missing. That's all about authentication and authorization. But if you try to go, let's say, topics, like you've seen that I just came from topics, and you hit enter, it's going to know that, hey, in order for you to access that specific protected resource, you need to be authenticated. And then upon authentication, we need to know if you're authorized to access it. So for 25 Rand only per session, I can teach you all of this, right? If you want to learn web application using the most recent frameworks from Microsoft, we meet weekdays from 8 p.m. until 9 p.m. That sounds good? I'll leave my numbers below. Do highlight me. Until next time.